Welcome back to the channel. Today, you'll see how old mobile phones are transformed into high-purity gold through one of the world's most advanced recycling processes.
The inbound shipment from Sector 4 is delayed.
We need to reroute the forklifts immediately.
Electronic waste arrives from homes, businesses, and recycling centers around the world. Careful organization begins long before any material is processed. Each phone tells the story of years of daily use. Yet even damaged devices still contain valuable materials. Inspection systems identify materials before dismantling begins. Batteries and hazardous components must be separated first.
Gold is used because it resists corrosion and conducts electricity exceptionally well. Only tiny amounts are present inside each phone.
The material distribution on the display highlight the increased copper usage in this model. Interesting, that aligns with the recovery data we've been seeing. Printed circuit boards contain the highest concentration of valuable metals. They become the focus of the recovery process. Removing batteries is one of the most important safety steps. It protects both workers and equipment from potential hazards. Each material follows its own recycling pathway. Valuable metals can only be recovered after careful separation. Even the smallest components are collected for processing. Nothing useful is intentionally wasted. This facility is designed for continuous operation. Thousands of devices move through the system every hour. Mechanical processing begins only after every safety check is complete. The next stage changes the material completely. Every recovered gram of gold begins with reducing complex electronics into manageable material. This is only the beginning. But before precious metals can be separated, every circuit board must first be carefully processed. That transformation powerful cutting drums break every board into uniform fragments. This exposes materials that were once tightly bonded together. Uniform particle size improves every separation process that follows. Even distribution keeps the production line operating smoothly.
Compare the sample tray with the screen data.
It matches the required specification for this run.
Screening sorts material according to particle size. Each fraction follows the most efficient recovery path. Magnetic separation removes ferrous metals first. Eliminating unwanted material improves the purity of later stages.
The separation is holding steady.
Approved. Maintain current speed.
Air separation uses differences in weight instead of chemicals. Lighter materials move away while heavier particles continue forward. Dust collection protects both equipment and the working environment. Clean processing improves safety throughout the facility. Different metals respond differently to changing magnetic fields. This allows aluminum to separate without direct contact. Aluminum leaves the production line at this stage. The remaining material becomes increasingly concentrated with valuable metals. Optical systems identify materials too small for manual inspection. Automation improves both speed and accuracy. Every separation stage increases material purity. Small improvements produce significant results over large production volumes. After several mechanical stages, the material has changed dramatically. Valuable metals are now concentrated into a much smaller volume. Mechanical separation is now complete. The remaining concentrate contains the precious metals hidden inside millions of discarded phones. The hardest mechanical work is finished. In the next chapter, chemistry and precision engineering begin separating gold from the concentrated electronic material. The concentrated material now enters the chemical recovery section. This is where precious metals begin separating from the remaining mixture. Accurate measurements are essential before chemical treatment begins. Even small variations can affect recovery efficiency.
The flow rate on the blue solution seems slightly low.
It's still within the acceptable pressure limits, but I'll increase the dosage by 5%. Mixing allows every particle to contact the processing solution evenly. Uniform treatment improves metal recovery throughout the batch. Inside the reactors, valuable metals gradually enter solution. The transformation cannot be seen from the outside, but it is already underway.
Regular sampling confirms the process is progressing correctly. Continuous analysis prevents unnecessary material loss.
Laboratory measurements determine the concentration of dissolved metals. These results guide every adjustment made on the production floor. Production and laboratory teams work together continuously. Careful control maintains consistent recovery conditions. Filtration removes remaining solid particles from the solution. The dissolved precious metals continue in liquid form. The valuable metals now travel within the filtered solution. Careful handling protects both purity and process stability.
A controlled reaction allows dissolved gold to separate from the solution. Tiny particles begin forming once again. Although each particle is extremely small, together they represent valuable recovered metal. Precision is more important than speed. The newly recovered concentrate moves carefully to the next refining stage. Every transfer minimizes unnecessary loss. Centrifugal separation removes excess liquid from the concentrate. The recovered material becomes increasingly pure. Drying prepares the recovered concentrate for final refining. Moisture must be carefully removed before melting can begin. The recovered concentrate is now ready for its most dramatic transformation. High-temperature refining comes next. Heat will complete the separation process. Remaining impurities will soon be removed through controlled refining. The recovered material has reached its final refining stage. In the next chapter, intense heat and precise control transform. The recovered concentrate is now ready for final refining. Controlled heat separates the remaining impurities from the precious metal. Induction heating melts the concentrate without direct flame contact. Precise temperature control protects the quality of the metal. As the temperature rises, impurities naturally separate from the molten metal. Careful control improves final purity. Special refining materials help collect unwanted impurities. This step produces cleaner molten gold. The unwanted material is carefully removed from the surface. Only the purified molten metal remains inside the furnace. Large facilities refine multiple batches at the same time. Every furnace follows identical quality procedures.
See the crystallization around the edge. Yes, the cooling sequence is definitely optimized now.
Each sample reveals the exact composition of the refined metal. Only approved batches continue to casting. Production and laboratory teams work together continuously. Accurate measurements guide every decision. The purified metal is now ready for casting. Smooth pouring reduces defects inside every bar. Every mold receives a carefully controlled amount of molten metal. Consistency improves both quality and handling. Controlled cooling protects the structure of the newly formed metal. Sudden temperature changes could affect quality. The metal has now taken its final solid form. Each bar moves immediately to detailed inspection. Surface finishing improves both appearance and inspection accuracy. Even small imperfections are carefully removed.
Every finished bar must meet strict dimensional and weight requirements.
Precision continues beyond the melting process. Before secure storage, protective packaging materials are prepared. Clean handling prevents unnecessary surface damage. Protective packaging keeps every refined bar secure during handling. Final inspection is the next important step. Refining is complete, but every bar must still meet strict quality standards. Careful inspection ensures consistency before storage. Advanced imaging systems examine every surface in remarkable detail. Even the smallest imperfections are detected automatically. High magnification reveals details impossible to see with the naked eye. Precision inspection protects the quality of every batch. Every finished bar must meet exact dimensional specifications. Uniformity simplifies handling and storage. Non-destructive testing measures elemental composition without damaging the finished product. Accuracy remains the highest priority. The lab results on batch 42 clearly don't align with the production yield.
Let's cross-reference the inspection report from the automated system.
Human inspection complements automated systems. Experienced technicians notice details that machines continue to verify.
Final cleaning prepares each bar for secure packaging. Clean surfaces improve long-term preservation. A final polish enhances the finished appearance. Every bar leaves the production line in excellent condition.
Protective packaging reduces the risk of handling damage. Every component is prepared with equal attention to detail. Reliable packaging protects the refined metal throughout the supply chain. Every package receives identical treatment. Finished packages are organized for efficient warehouse storage. Automation improves consistency while reducing manual handling. Protective wrapping keeps every shipment secure during movement. Stability is checked before warehouse transfer. The finished product now enters secure storage. Every approved batch is ready for controlled distribution. Quality inspection is complete, and every bar has been approved for shipment. The final chapter reveals how the Every shipment is verified one final time. Accurate handling protects both security and traceability. Automation keeps the distribution process efficient. Every shipment follows a carefully planned route. Every load is secured before transportation begins. Stability protects the shipment throughout its journey. Security continues beyond the production floor. Every shipment is monitored throughout transport. Recovered precious metals begin a new journey after leaving the factory. Recycling connects yesterday's electronics with tomorrow's industries. Some refined gold is transferred directly into secure storage. Careful handling preserves its finished condition. Each finished bar represents millions of tiny electronic connections recovered through careful engineering. Valuable materials have been given a second life. Secure storage protects valuable materials until they are needed. Precision continues even after production has ended.
Recovered gold often becomes electronic bonding wire once again. The cycle of manufacturing begins anew.
The recovered metal finds its way back into advanced electronic devices. Circular manufacturing reduces the demand for newly mined resources. Every stage depends on skilled workers, advanced machinery, and careful planning. Success comes from the precision of the entire process. What began as electronic waste has become a valuable industrial resource. Every department contributes to that transformation. The recycling process never truly ends. Every incoming shipment begins another opportunity to recover valuable materials. From discarded mobile phones to high-purity gold, every stage demonstrates the value of modern recycling.